What's up, everyone? Craze here with the MC Minecraft Pocket Edition little video I wanted to do. Now, I wanted to put some water in the nether. I wanted to get it so that it could flow in the nether. So I tried using my water bucket. No water. So I'm like, what the hell, you know? So next, I decided to try cauldron. I get water in the nether. That's real cool. I tried breaking it to see if it would flow, because that's what I really wanted. No flowing water. So now I was really starting to get upset. But now, you would need a silk touch pickaxe to mine the blocks of ice. But you do that, you bring them into the nether, put them down, you break them, you get water. Good way to get obsidian. It's a good way to walk across them big lakes of lava in the nether. And you just block it off. No lava. All obsidian. It also works good for a defense against blazes. You know, you find a blaze spawn, if you can get in there, you know, put down a couple of ice blocks, break them. Every time them blazes spawn, they're gonna die because they don't like water. Like you see. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time for another Minecraft Pocket Edition video.